Hello and welcome to this update number 1, where I show you how we transform a section of this abandoned newspaper factory into a makerspace here in Alkmaar, the Netherlands. After more than 7 years in these containers, it was time to move on to a new location with more space to make and where it's dry and warmer on the coldest days of the year. After a few years of negotiating with the owner of this property, we finally agreed upon renting a section of this building, about 2000 square meters, for at least 10 years. This hall is about 800 square meters, and the plans we have for it will be clear in the upcoming updates. We have big plans but a small budget. But with some creativity and hard work, we will transform a section of this abandoned newspaper factory into an impressive location we will call Stadsfabriek Alkmaar, which can be translated into City Factory Alkmaar. First we have to clear some remainders of what was a newspaper factory, where they printed the last newspaper 5 years ago in 2016. These machine footings had to be removed and the holes in the floor where the printing presses were located had to be filled with concrete, which I will show you in the next update. Some of the internal walls had to be removed as well, for the plans we have made. So instead of dispose all the rubble from the walls to the landfill, we filled up the holes in the floor, so less concrete is required to equalize the floor. I hope you like this video and please let me know what you think. In the meantime, I'm making a makerspace and let you know about the progress in the next update.